Mary was a very good girl. She believed in eating healthy fruits and salad. So here is Mary with her fruits on the table. So she has three bananas, one, two, three. Now what happens is this naughty bird comes in, takes one banana and flies away. So how many bananas does Mary have now? Let's count. One, two, and Mary is very surprised. So what happened was Mary had three bananas. The naughty bird came and took away one banana. So this banana was taken away by the naughty bird, and Mary is left with these bananas. Let's count how many. One, two. So Mary is left with two bananas. This taking away is called subtraction. So let's see how can we write it. So first Mary had three bananas. The bird came and took away one banana. So if I remove this one banana from here, I will have how many bananas left? Let's count. One, two. So two bananas will be left, right? So two bananas will be left here. So this is called taking away or subtraction. So subtraction means taking away. When you have something and you take away something, that is called subtraction. So in this case, Mary had some bananas. The naughty bird took away a banana. So we need to subtract here, right? And what are these symbols? So you know this symbol. This symbol is equal to symbol, right? But this is a new symbol. It denotes subtraction. So when you take away something from something, you denote it by this symbol. This is the symbol for subtraction. We also call it the minus sign. And this is the answer. When you take away one banana from three bananas, you are left with two bananas. So this is the answer. We call it the difference. So the answer is called the difference. So like in the case of addition, the answer was called sum. In the case of subtraction, this is called difference. So we read it as 3 bananas minus 1 banana is equal to 2 bananas. This is how we read it. Now next day, Mary decided to have some mangoes. So here she is with mangoes on the table. And then a mischievous monkey came and dashed away with some mangoes in his hand. How many mangoes has the monkey taken? 1, 2, 3. So the monkey took 3 mangoes and dashed out of the window. So these are the mangoes which Mary had in the first place. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes. And how many mangoes did the monkey take away? 3. So if I remove those 3 mangoes, that is 1, 2, 3. If I remove these 3 mangoes from here, how many mangoes am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am left with 4 mangoes. Let's see it once again. So initially, Mary had these 7 mangoes and the monkey took away these 3 mangoes. So let's remove 3 mangoes from 7. So I remove 1, 2, 3. These 3 mangoes. Suppose these were the 3 mangoes taken away by the naughty monkey. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are left with 4 mangoes, right? This is the sign for subtraction. So this taking away of mangoes by the monkey is called subtraction. And this is the symbol for subtraction. This is the equal to symbol. And the answer of subtraction is called the difference. So 4 mangoes is the difference or the answer. So when you take away or you subtract 3 mangoes from 7 mangoes, you get 4 mangoes. Remember, we always say that we have taken away or subtracted 3 from 7 and not 7 from 3, because 3 is less than 7. So I can only take away a lesser number. So I can take away 3 from 7 and not 7 from 3. This taking away is called subtraction. Now poor Mary next day decided to have some lychees. And here she is sitting happily with the lychees. Now a cute little squirrel comes, but what she does is not really cute. She takes away a bunch of lychees of Mary and runs away. So how many lychees has the squirrel taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the squirrel took away 4 lychees. So let's see what is happening. Initially, Mary had these lychees. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The squirrel took away 4 lychees. So let's remove the 4 lychees. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have removed 4 lychees. So how many lychees are left? So the squirrel had taken away these 4 lychees. How many lychees are left with Mary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 lychees are left with Mary after the squirrel took away the 4 lychees. So let's see what is happening here. Initially, Mary had 10 lychees and the naughty squirrel came and took away 4 lychees. So let's say these are the 4 lychees which were taken away by the squirrel. So how many lychees were left with Mary? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lychees were left with Mary. So 6 are the lychees left with Mary when she had 10 lychees and the squirrel took away 4 lychees. So 10 minus 4 gives us 6, or we can say that when we subtract 4 from 10, we get 6. So when we subtract or take away 4 lychees from 10 lychees, we get 6 lychees. Now next day, Mary was sitting with these sticks and an evil crow came and took away some sticks. So let's see how many sticks he has taken. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He took away 8 sticks. And how many sticks did Mary had initially? So initially, Mary had 16 sticks or 16 twigs. And the evil crow took away 8 twigs. So let's remove 8 twigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 were taken away by the crow. And what was left are these twigs. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 twigs are left with Mary after the crow took away 8 twigs. This is called subtraction. So 16 twigs minus 8 twigs is equal to 8 twigs. Or we can say that when we take away 8 twigs from 16 twigs, we get 8 twigs. And this 8 twigs is the answer or difference. So this was what was subtraction. Now if we have noticed, subtraction is the opposite of addition. In addition, you put together things or you combine things. Whereas in subtraction, you are taking away things, right? Or removing things. So this is how we can perform subtraction. So do practice subtraction using different number of objects. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.